How can you identify different types of oysters? Have you ever wondered how to tell one type of oyster from another? These fascinating marine creatures are not just delicious but also come in various shapes and colors. Let's break down how you can identify different types of oysters. First, look at the shell shape and size. Each oyster species has its own unique shell characteristics. For instance, the eastern oyster, known scientifically as Oyster virginica, typically has a teardrop shape with shallow cups. In contrast, the Pacific oyster, or Oyster gigas, features a more elongated and cupped shape. Next, consider the shell color and texture. The Pacific oyster often has gray, rough shells with white or off-white interiors, sometimes displaying purple streaks. On the other hand, eastern oysters may have shells that showcase green or purple hues, influenced by their environment. Another important factor is habitat and distribution. Pacific oysters thrive in East Asia and along the United States West Coast, often found growing among eelgrass in murky waters. Meanwhile, eastern oysters are commonly located along the United States East Coast and in the Gulf of Mexico. Environmental influences also play a role in how oysters look. Oysters can change their appearance based on their surroundings, a phenomenon known as phenotypic plasticity. This means that even oysters of the same species from different locations can look quite different. Lastly, take a close look at the growth patterns on the shell. Oysters grow more during warmer months and less when it is cold. The growth layers on the shell can indicate how many growing seasons an oyster has experienced. By understanding these characteristics, you can better identify and appreciate the diversity of oyster species. Recognizing these differences is essential for studying their habitats and behaviors, which are vital components of marine ecosystems. So the next time you encounter oysters, you will have the knowledge to identify them with confidence.